open this code as it normally would. And then head over to your user settings, and here down at the app settings, click on voice and video, and here we can straight scroll down to the advanced section. And here, first of all, at video codec, I would suggest you to disable this Open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco Systems Inc. And with this, the H.264 hardware acceleration is also automatically turned off. And then down at the screen share option, there is another thing I would suggest you to try out, because at this option there is no real true or false. You just need to try out whether what's working for you. And in most cases, I would just turn this off, but just try out whatever is working for you. As already said, then last thing here, head over to advanced, and here make sure that you deactivate hardware acceleration. Just deactivate this, and then this code just needs to restart. And if you've done this, then we've come to the last point, and this is just open your Windows search and type in Task Manager, open this app here, and in this app I would suggest you first of all to close any tasks that are unnecessary while you're streaming on Discord or while you're watching on Discord streams. And second, I would suggest you to open a drop-down menu from Discord and then select the task that is running the highest capacity. Right-click on it, click on Go to Details, and then make sure that you don't select any other tasks, but stay on Same. Right-click on it again, and then hover over Set Priority, and here select anything above normal. Real time is the best. So I think just use real time, and then click on Change Priority, and that's already it. Your stream, the issue should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If not, just also leave a comment, and I will write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.